Good morning everybody, it's beautiful Sunday and today I'm making omelette for everyone. Okay, so I'm gonna show you all how I like to make my omelette. Here's what you will need. For the best omelette, buy good quality fresh eggs because the better the eggs, the better the omelette. You're going to need tofu, spring onions, garlic, and chili. These onions, garlic, and chili, I've cooked it before. But if you're a person that doesn't like onions and chili, feel free to use bell peppers or mushrooms or whatever vegetables that you enjoy, okay? The special ingredient is young coconut meat. This white coconut meat offers a sweet flavor that is soft enough to be eaten with a spoon. To make this omelette, place 2 or 3 eggs into bowl and then season it with a bit of salt, sugar, pepper, and chicken powder. To blend the eggs, a fork works best. Make sure that you have non-stick pan for your omelette because it'll make it much easier to flip it. When the pan is ready and olive oil is melted, pour in the eggs. When cooking omelettes, the heat should be at about medium to medium low. Just a bit higher heat than used to cook scrambled eggs. So this is the finally you can serve it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you guys in the next videos. Bye!